I don't think the intention is at all that all the work will be done on this campus, that the Secretariat will be located on this campus, that some of the work in these new projects, which requires high-end facilities and the type of expertise that is available in the Becker Hub, that part of the work will be done here. But if we're talking about innovation projects moving from research to products, then the clear inference is that some of the work must indeed be done in the field. So it's about building the partnerships out in the countries, not only with the national program researchers, but also with local private sector to actually move towards evaluation of potential products in the field and scaling up. So I think as the Bio-Innovate program expands, and hopefully this will also link with expanding support, and indeed the synergies with Becker as Becker looks to the future and realises in our new business plan that product incubation is a very important part of actually getting biosciences to influence African agriculture, then the expansion could be both in a large number of countries in East Africa and could be in more depth in different crops, for example, different areas of crop protection as another example, possibly even moving into some livestock applications. So I think there are a number of areas of expansion both in geography and in range of the type of work that can be done. In regard to the size of the program, in the design of the program there was some very constructive dialogue between the drafting team, those who'd been involved in the Bio-In program, and Sida Sweden as the lead donor. And I think Sweden, from an investment point of view, was very visionary in saying that, well, if we're really concerned about moving from research to products, then we need a reasonable size investment here. And so the total fund over the 5 years of the program is $10 million. I think the second thing that's an interesting and correct approach is to invest these funds in a relatively small number of areas and through a number of consortia where there are a number of institutions from across East Africa participating with private sector partners as well. And so the average size of each project will be somewhere between $1 to $2 million. So this is a critical mass of both financial resources, agricultural resources, research resources directed at some critical problems. How important this will be for food security, we would hope very important, and that it will make a major contribution. And how that will be done is partly by looking at some of the key famine type foods, so investing in roots and tubers, for example, and investing in some of the dryland cereals, and also investing in some of the environment areas to improve farmers' ability to adapt to climate change. So all these areas of investment are really critical for food security.